Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add money on Venmo from a debit card or bank account. Alright, let's begin. First, ensure your Venmo account is linked to a debit card or bank account. This connection is required for successful transfers. If you haven't linked one yet, start by logging into your Venmo account. Once logged in, tap the button in the upper right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings, then tap Payment Methods. In this section, you will see a blue link labeled Add Bank or Card. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you can choose to add a bank account, debit card, or credit card. For this guide, we will add a debit card since it does not incur additional fees. Select Debit Card and enter the required details, including card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code. Double-check the information, then tap Add to complete the process. If your bank account or debit card is already linked, you can now add money to your Venmo balance. Return to the main screen, tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner, and select Manage Balance. Tap Add Money and enter the desired amount. After entering the amount, tap Next to review the transaction details. If using a bank transfer, funds may take 3 to 5 business days, while debit card transfers are usually instant. Once confirmed, tap the green button to finalize the transfer. So that's basically how you can add money on Venmo from a debit card or bank account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.